Are you a hypnotherapist, coach, or therapy professional looking to grow your business and attract more clients? Do you feel like you have the skills and passion to help people through hypnosis, but are missing the final pieces of the puzzle to use your abilities powerfully and successfully? The key to unlocking your full potential and making a bigger impact lies in mastering the art of marketing and visibility. And that's exactly what my 3 Hypnotic Marketing Mastery workshops are designed to help you achieve. In these game-changing workshops, you'll discover how to craft a compelling message that resonates with your ideal clients, how to develop an authentic and memorable brand identity, how to leverage the power of storytelling to captivate your audience, how to build professional websites, funnels, and stores that convert visitors into clients, how to optimize your online presence for maximum discoverability, how to harness the potential of social media to expand your reach, how to create valuable content that establishes you as an expert, and implement effective SEO strategies to rank higher in search results, how to implement proven lead generation strategies to fill your practice consistently with new leads and clients. These workshops are designed specifically for hypnotists, hypnotherapists, coaches, and therapy professionals who want to take their business to the next level. You will learn from my 25+ years of experience as a world-renowned hypnotist and marketer. You will gain practical insights that you can implement immediately. You will enjoy this live hands-on experience where you gain real results quickly. By the end of the workshops, you'll have a clear roadmap to attract your ideal clients consistently and boost your visibility while establishing yourself as the go-to expert. You will be also able to create a thriving business that allows you to help more people. Remember, your ability to create transformative change through hypnosis is a gift. But to truly make a difference, you must first be discovered by those who need you most. And that discovery begins and ends with strategic marketing and unstoppable visibility. Don't let your skills and passion go unnoticed any longer. Join me for the Hypnotic Marketing Mastery workshops and unlock the secrets to building a successful hypnosis business. Together, we will amplify your impact and help you change more lives than ever before.